it's Joy, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I did my own nails for my trip to Hawaii. And all the stuff that I got is from Amazon, and I listed the shades and everything. So yeah, let's just get started. For my nails, I like to start with the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and using a cuticle pusher, I use that to push back my cuticles and remove any dead skin around my nails. Then I put some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad to wipe away all of that nasty stuff. After that, I use my nail file just to file the edges and make my nails into the shape that I want. Here, I'm also making sure to file the edges so I can get that crisp coffin nail look. Now, to help the gel adhere to my nail and last longer, I use a buffing block just to buff the surface of my nail. And once again, I use the rubbing alcohol to wipe off any of that residue. Now, normally I would use a regular gel base coat, but I wanted my nails to last longer and feel stronger, so I'm using this Amelie Builder base instead. This is essentially like a hard gel in a bottle, and it just makes it easier to apply. This is thicker than normal base coat, so it makes my nails feel stronger, and I also find that it lasts longer. I usually only do a couple nails, then cure it to avoid any of the product pooling or overflowing by my cuticles. I also make sure to clean up the edges before curing so it doesn't cause lifting. Now for all the fun colors, I'm starting with this Amelie shade 263, which is a light pastel purple, and I'm painting it on my pinky. The next shade is the Amelie 265, and it is a light pastel blue. I am painting this one on my middle finger. For my index finger, I'm using the shade 267, and it is a nice green color. Then for my thumb, I'm using the shade 273, which is a light pink color. Now, you might have thought I forgot my ring finger, but I didn't. Instead of Amelie, I'm using the Mamita gel polish in the shade Nude 3. After that, I just cure all of my nails for 1 minute. Then I clean any residue off with some rubbing alcohol. And then I'm just going to paint the second coat for all of my nails. Also making sure to clean up any of the polish on my skin before curing. To make the flower design on my nails, I used a dotting tool to help me dot on the small petals, and then later used the other side to draw the centers. I I started with drawing on the pink flowers, then cured it before I moved on to the next color. After I finished drawing on the petals of my flowers, I used the smaller end of the dotting tool and the gel polish Amelie shade 268, which is a pale yellow, to dot on the centers of my flowers. Then I just cure that for 60 seconds. After, I just go in with my file one more time just to clean up the edges to get that clean coffin shape. And then wiping any of the residue with some rubbing alcohol. Finally, the last step is top coat, and I just go in with a nice layer on all of my nails. Then I just cure it one final time. And here are the finished nails. I loved how they turned out. I think that they are super fun and summery and cute. I loved having them for my trip. So yeah, thanks for watching.